Good morning, class 5th student. Here we are going to start chapter 5 from our moral science book. Here we read the value gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. Means you have to thankful to the God who gives you life and provide you all the money or the essential things for your livelihood. The name of this story is God Provides. God provides means the blessings which are given by the God. As we know that all things are done by the blessings of the gods. Means God provides money to, and He show us the path of earning, and He always give us or the guide us at the right path. So let's read the story God Provides. Do you believe in God? Yes, we all believe in God. Do you feel His presence around you? Most of the time we feel that God is present around us. Either a person look us or not, while we are doing some good, some bad, but we feel this thing that anybody will see us or not, it doesn't matter, but God always see us. He is always present around us. Now, let's start the story. Once there was a king. He was famous as a generous king. Means a king, and he was also famous for his helpfulness, for his kindness. Generous means helpful or kind. Every day two beggars used to come to him for alms, and he always gave them food and money. Means every day two beggars come to him, means come to that king and ask for alms. Alms means the money, food, or the other things which are persons used for his livelihood. We know this thing that those peoples are poor, those are beggars, they always trying to begging. Okay, so alms is some money, food or cloth which is given to the poor peoples, and this king always give it, and he always gave them food and money. On receiving the alms, one of them used to say, God provide. Means they are two beggars, but on receiving the alms, one of them used to say, God provides. Means भगवान की इच्छा से, भगवान ने दिया है, blessing of course. But this another beggar, the younger of two, means which is older, he says God provides. But the younger always say that our king provide. महाराज की इच्छा, महाराज ने दिया है. One day the king gave them more money than usual, whereupon the older beggar cried out loudly, God provides, God provides. Means one day king gave both of them some extra money, means which he give usually more than it. Okay, some extra money, and the older beggar cried out loudly, means with a cheerful nature, with a happiness, he cried loudly that God provides, God provides. This annoyed the king very much. By listen this God provides, God provide, king feeling angriness. King become angry. King becomes so angry. It is I who has been feeding him, and he keeps saying God provide, God provide. Why king showing angry? Because he thought that he was giving them some feeding and money, and he keeps saying God provides, God provides. So when the king gives them all of these things, why the beggar said that it's provided by the God? It made the king angry. It is time he should learn how the real benefactor is, the king said to himself. Now, king don't showing anything to that beggars, just determined to show them that who is the real benefactor. Benefactor is a word, benefactor. Benefactor means a person who helps. Benefactor is a person who helps by giving some important or the necessary things. As the king is a benefactor here who gave both these beggars money, food. Okay. So king thought that he is a benefactor, real benefactor of both of them. But this one you see in the picture is usually say that the God provide. But the second one he always say the king provide. The next day, after he had given them alms, he asked the beggars to go by a little used road instead of their usual one. So what the king do for showing that he is a real benefactor? Next day he given them some alms, the alms which he gave to the beggars, the food or money which he gave. After that he said to the beggars for go to buy a little used road. Little used, which road is less used or rarely used, means the way on which they usually go, they daily go by that way, they go to a different way, not the same particular way. I have provided one of you, he said. God will provide for the another. And what the king say that I have provided for one of you. मैं तुम दोनों में से किसी एक को प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ. God will provide for the another. And for the second one, God provides. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.